Welcome to Chapter 4, Integration. Chapter 4 is antiderivative or inverse of differentiation, meaning that we can say integration is the opposite of differentiation. Let's say we have original function fx. After differentiation, we get f prime x. So from f prime x, how can we go back to the original function fx? We use integration. Okay, like if you start with y, differentiate, you get y prime or dy over dx, and then you can go back to y by using integration. Let's look at the definition. A function f is called an antiderivative of f, or the opposite of derivative, on an interval I if f prime x equal fx for all x in I. Okay, theorem. If f is an antiderivative of f on an interval I, then the most general antiderivative of f on I is fx plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. Okay, let's look at some of the integration formula. Integrate constant, we get constant multiplied by x plus c. Okay, integrate constant. For example, integrate 2, you get 2x plus c. Number 2, integrate x power r equal x power r power 1 over r power 1 plus c. So for example, if you want to integrate x power 2, so the answer is x power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. So we get x power 3 over 3 plus c. Number 3, if you want to integrate 1 over x, okay, integrate 1 over x, or integrate x power negative 1. The answer is ln x plus c. Okay, if you have integration of 1 over x plus b, we get ln x plus b. Okay, because integrate 1 over x ln x, so integrate 1 over x plus b is ln x plus b. Next, what if you want to integrate 1 over ax plus b? So there is a coefficient in front of x. We get 1 over a ln ax plus b. Compared to this one, when we don't have any coefficient in front of x, ln x plus b. If we have a coefficient a in front of x, so the answer of the integration is 1 over a ln ax plus b plus c. Integrate exponent x is still exponent x. Integrate exponent x plus b, exponent x plus b plus c. Integrate exponent ax. So we have a coefficient in front of x. We get exponent ax over a. Next example. Integrate sine x, negative cos x. Why? Because let's recall for differentiation. Okay, we know that integration is the opposite. Integration is the opposite of differentiation. We learned before that when we differentiate cos x, the answer is negative sine x. So now, integrate sine x, we get negative cos x. Okay, if we want to integrate sine ax, there's a coefficient in front of x, so the answer is negative cos ax over a. Okay, integrate cos x, we get sine x. Why? Okay, recall, differentiate sine x, we get cos x. So, terbalikkan, integrate cos x, we get sine x. Okay, integrate cos ax. Okay, we have coefficient a in front of x, so the answer is sin ax over a. Okay, integrate secant square x, the answer is tan x. Why? Okay, recall what is the answer to the differentiation of tan x. Differentiation tan x, the answer is secant square x. So for integration, terbalikkan. Integrate secant square x, the answer is tan x. Integrate secant square ax. Okay, we got coefficient a in front of x. So the answer is tan ax over a. Okay. Remember the answer to the differentiation of secant x. Okay, differentiate secant x is secant x tan x. So untuk integration kita terbalikkan. Integrate secant x tan x, we get secant x. Okay, we want to solve example 4, evaluate the integral. We know that the best way to solve an integration question is to simplify the given equation to term by term. Okay, for the first term, we take 1 over x square minus second term square root x power 5 over x square plus third term x power 4 over x square. So now we have first term, second term, third term. So all the terms are separated compared to the first original equation given by the question. So now when the terms are separated, we can simplify each term. Okay, 1 over x square, bring x square, we get x power negative 2 minus square root x power 5 is x power 5 over 2 over x square plus x power 4 over x power 2. So x power 4 minus 2, we get x power 2. We still have to simplify the second term. So 5 over 2 minus x square. Five over 2 minus 2, we get 1 over 2. So second term is x power 1 over 2. Okay, now as all the terms separated and simplify, we can integrate one by one. Integrate x power negative 2, negative 2 plus 1, negative 1 over negative 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So x power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus 2 plus 1. So x power 3 over 3, and do not forget plus c. Okay, we can simplify the answer. Negative x power negative 1 bawa ke bawah, we get negative 1 over x minus, okay, over 3 over 2, bring to 2 x power 3 over 2 over 3 plus x power 3 over 3 plus c. So this is the final answer. Example 5, we want to evaluate this integral. So as previous example, to solve integration question, it is best for us to separate the given original equation into term by term. Okay, since we have 2 minus x squared over here, let's expand the equation first. Okay, expand 2 minus x squared, we get 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Okay, then expand further. X power 1 over 3 multiplied by 4. 4x power 1 over 3 minus 4. Okay, x power 1 over 3 multiplied by x. X multiplied by x, we add the power. So 1 over 3 plus 1 equal 4 over 3. So 4x power 4 over 3 plus x power 1 over 3 multiplied by x square. So x multiplied by x, we add the power. 1 over 3 plus 2. We get 7 over 3. So now the terms are separated. Here we have the first term, second term, and third term. So now we can integrate all the terms one by one. Okay, for coefficient, stay. Integrate x power 1 over 3. 1 over 3 plus 1. 4 over 3. So 4x. 4 over 3 over 4 over 3 minus integrate 4x power 4 over 3. 4 over 3 plus 1. We get 7 over 3. So 7 over 3 over 7 over 3 plus, okay, integrate x power 7 over 3. Therefore, 7 over 3 plus 1, 10 over 3 over 10 over 3 plus c. And then now we can simplify the final answer. Bring 3 ups. So 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. X power 4 over 3 over 4 minus, bring 3 up, 4 multiplied by 3, 12x 7 over 3 over 7 plus, bring 3 up, 3x power 10 over 3 over 10 plus c. Okay, let's continue to example 6. We want to evaluate this integral. So we have 1 plus x squared. Let's expand the numerator. 1 plus 2x plus x squared. Then we can change square root x into x power 1 over 2. Okay. Next, separate the equation into term by term. First term, 1 over x power 1 over 2. Second term, 2x over x power 1 over 2. Third term, x squared over x power 1 over 2. Okay, now all the terms are separated. First term, second term, third term. Then we can simplify. Bring x up. So we have x power negative 1 over 2 plus, simplify 2x, meaning that 2x power 1. X divided by x, minus the power. So 1 minus 1 over 2, we get 2x power 1 over 2. Okay, plus x divided by x. Okay, minus the power. 2 minus 1 over 2, we get 3 over 2. Okay, now we have separate all the terms, simplify. We can finally integrate one by one. Okay, integrate x power negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 plus 1. X power 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So 2x power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus, okay, integrate x power 3 over 2, 3 over 2 plus 1. Get x power 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. Simplify, bring 2 up, so we have 2 x power 1 over 2. Bring 2 up, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Bring 2 up, 2 x power 5 over 2 over 5 plus c. If you want to further simplify, we can change x power 1 over 2 into square root x plus 4 over 3. X power 3 over 2 is square root x cubed plus 2 over 5 square root x power 5 plus c. Okay, either answer is acceptable. Example 7, this time we want to integrate sine 3x minus exponent to x. So the equation involves trigonometry. We can see that the equation is already separated. First term sine 3x, second term negative exponent to x. So we can straight away integrate the equation. So integrate sine 3x. We get negative cos 3x over 3 minus integrate exponent to x, exponent to x over 2 plus c. So that's it. Okay, example 8. We want to evaluate the integral in terms of y. So first step, we must separate the equation into term by term. First term, 8y power 5 over 4y cubed. So 8 over 4 we get 2. Y power 5 over y cubed. So 5 minus 3 y square. Plus 3 over 4. Y 1 over 3 over y 3. So 1 over 3 minus 3. We get negative 8 over 3 minus y square over 4y cubed. So 1 over 4y, 2 minus 3, negative 1. Okay, now let's integrate. Since the equation are separated, first term, second term, third term. Okay, starting from the first term, 2y, 2 plus 1, 3 over 3, plus 3 over 4, y. Negative 8 power 3 plus 1. Negative 8 over 3 plus 1. Negative 5 over 3 over negative 5 over 3 minus 1 over 4. Integrate y power negative y is ln y plus c. Simplify. 2 over 3 y cubed. Bring 3 up, or we can multiply 3 over 4 multiply by negative 3 over 5. We get negative 9 over 20 negative y, so a y power negative, so we can bring it down. Y power 5 over 3 minus 1 over 4 ln y plus c.